Prove that sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square is equal to, here sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square is equal to sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta into cosecant theta plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square is equal to cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 cos theta into secant theta is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta plus cosecant square theta plus secant square theta plus, here 2 sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 2 into sin theta into 1 by sin theta, that is equal to 2 plus 2 into cos theta into secant theta is equal to 2 into cos theta into 1 by cos theta, that is equal to 2 is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cosecant square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 is equal to 1 plus cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta plus secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta plus 4 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, that is sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta.